Ngokusho kwe-City Power, ilokishi i-Alexandra lingezinye zezindawo ezihamba phambili ngokuxhunywa kogesi ngokungemthetho. Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi zisimisele ukusebenzisana nomasipala waseGoli kanye ne-City Power ukulungisa le nkinga.
Ngisorathi nyowanyowa nathi asiyithandi somphakathi kodwa sicela nje sizale sithole into right eqondile.
Asithandi nathi ukusebenzisa ugesi wazinyokanyoka, senziwa sisimo because abantwana bazobuya ngoku babuya esikoleni belambile.
Kodwa-ke ezinye bekucaca nje ukuthi asifuni nakuzwa okuningi. Zithi ezinye zezisebenzi ze-City Power yizo ezibaxhumela izinyokanyoka.
Solala sinawo ugesi okokuqala kuzokusho nje asikufihli lokho. Akithi wona lo City Power osidayisela izintambo. Masibabiza sithi abezi la bezosifakela ugesi abafuni. Phela 50-50 umuntu omnyama uyamoshana. Bayasidayisela sithenga kubo ngemali. Namhlanje bakwazi ukuza no Metro bazozithatha. Bona laba ama-officials lawa ka-City Power iwangcolile.
Insult lezi abantu abase Greenville ngoba into yokuqala abase recognize ezomphakathi, so that's an insult after my votes at least if bebaze before bayenza le mishmash yabo before ama vote it was gonna be proper. Manje bayasidelela bayasithuka, so angazi if bafuna si react kanjani ezomphakathi.
Okhulumela i-City Power u-Isaac Mangena uthi enye yezinto ezibambezela ukuthi abantu base-Alex befakelwe ugesi osemthethweni ukuthi bahleli endaweni engagunyaziwe ukuthi ihlale abantu.
They need to be proclaimed as safe human settlements, but this one is not safe. As you can see, they're basically sitting under our pylons. That's like transmission lines carrying about 88,000 volts of electricity, and by law, no one is supposed to actually build under this. But also, I think the area itself is dolomatic, and that's why the Department of Housing cannot basically legalize illegality.
Ngokusho kwe-City Power, zikhona izisebenzi le nkampani eseziboshiwe okusolakala ukuthi ziyathinteka exhunyweni kogesi ngokungemthetho. Ukuxhunywa kogesi ngokungemthetho ngenye yezinto eyenza i-City Power ithwale kanzima njengoba uba mningi ugesi ophumayo kodwa imali yawo ingabibikho. Lokhu ke kugcine sekukhahlameza ne-Eskom.